How to view Snapchat friend count. Let's get started with the video. First thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and log into your account if you haven't already. Next, tap on the location icon found at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once you're on the Snap map, click on the gear icon at the top right corner. From here, tap on only this friend. This option allows you to manually select which friend can view your location. Now select all of your Snapchat friends from the list. This is the key step because the number of friends you select will reflect your total friend count. Once you have selected everyone, simply hit save at the bottom. After saving, go back and tap on your profile icon at the top left. Finally, scroll down until you see the Snap Map section. Right under your Bitmoji map, you will see a number of friends. This is your total Snapchat friend count. That's it. This is how to view Snapchat friend count.